Alright guys, in this video we are going to learn about addition with carrying, which is addition with some extra steps. And those extra steps are going to be called carrying. Alright. So, the first rule that you guys have got to get behind is when you are doing these, you got to have really nicely written out steps. Okay? The ones digits have to be directly in a perfect column with each other. The tens digits later on are going to need to be in a perfect column with each other. Hundreds digits, decimal places, all that kind of stuff. If you're not comfortable with place value, we got to go get into that right now. You have to make sure that your place values line up. So it's not going to look like this. This is ridiculous. That doesn't help you. It's not going to look like this either. That you can't tell if this 7 goes with that 2 or if this 7 goes with that 5. Like that is just not helpful. It's total nonsense. And we're not going to accept it, right? I mean, so you guys know the rules here. We have some strict rules on the way that you format your work. It is to help you. It is to make your life better. Make sure you do it this way. So, what do we want it to look like? We want it to look like this. Ones digits in line with the ones digits. Now, how do we do this process? Well, you sort of think to yourself, okay, well, Chelsea, I could just count, right? So it's 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, okay. Yeah, I got you. At some point, we're going to want to move beyond finger counting. So, what is the process here? First, we're going to do the ones place added up. 7 plus 5, hopefully you guys know what that is. 7 plus 5 is 12. So we are going to put the 2 down here in the ones place, and we're going to carry the 1 up to here. Why did we do that? Because 12 is made up of 10 and then 2. The 2 can go in the ones place, but you can't put 12 in the ones place. That's kind of weird. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep the 2 here, and we're going to then add this 1 to the tens place, which makes sense, right? So then we do 2 plus 1, 32. And there we go, right? If we do another example, 7 plus 8, right? So we'll go into it. We'll do the ones column. 7 plus 8, hopefully you guys know, is 15. So we're going to put on the bottom the 5. And on the top, the 1. Right? So we're going to put the 5, we're going to carry the 1, because that's the 10, right? So we're carrying 10 over, essentially. When you carry 1 into the tens place, that's essentially like having, 10. 5 in the tens place is like 50. That's how we get 57, all right? This is kind of the whole point, the idea of this. From there, so we do 7 plus 8, you get 15, you put the 5, carry the 1. Then we're going to do 5 plus 1. What do we get when we do that? 6, right? Or 6D, because it's in the tens column. So 65 is our final answer there. This is the process. We're going to work on mechanics. Don't worry if it doesn't quite make sense right now, but talk to your instructor, right? Let your instructor know, hey, is it this because of, and what is going on here, and why I don't quite understand this thing, and can you explain this more? That is what your instructor is there to do, to support you in this awesome educational journey that you guys are going on. Stay intense. See you in the next video. Let's practice.